Okay, we're going to go over this tab command, and you're only going to use it for the table of contents, but there may be times that you can find it useful. So to do this, I went ahead and typed up table of contents and cover page, some of the different things that you'll have on there. So to do the tabs, you're going to go up to the dialog button here, and it pops up this for your paragraph group, and then go down to tabs down here. It's going to ask you to set your tab stop position. Usually 4.5 works fine. The bigger number, the longer tab position you'll have, and that'll make sense here pretty soon. Next, this is okay here. You're going to click the leader, so none, the dots, the dashes, or the lines. I'm going to go ahead and just go with the dashes. You guys can pick what you want. Pick something other than none. And then click set. Make sure you click set and then click OK. So then you're right after the cover page, and I'm going to press my tab key, thus you're setting your tabs, and it's going to make it go 4.5, which is longer than a normal tab. Makes it go to the 4.5 mark up on your ruler, 4.5 inches. Then I'm going to put page 1. So if I go after timeline, notice my tab's not set anymore, so I need to go set that again. So I go back here to the dialog button in the paragraph group, go to tabs, I'm going to set that to 4.5. I'm going to click the dashes, click set, and click OK. Then I press tab, I'm at page 2. Now if I press enter and I put final biography, and then press tab, my tab's already set because I'm typing it as I'm going. Now, keep in mind these aren't the right page numbers for these. You will need to go look at the assignment sheet. This is just showing you how to do the tab feature.